Alright everybody, this is going to be the kit that I'm going to build in 2019, first kit. I've had this for 10 years, so I think I've had it long enough. It's Moebius models 1/128 scale, voice at the bottom of the sea, Seaview. Awesome kit. Several guys online have built this already, so I'm really not going to do much of a kit review. I'll kind of do a kit review when I get started to build this sometime, like I said, maybe in January. Cost me $100. You still get this kit, different artwork, because they popped it out again not too long ago, and you can get it, but it's got different artwork on it, and it cost me $100, and that's about what it costs today. Skill level 3. On the side it gives you the features. It includes the flying sub with stand, mini sub, diving bell, crew members, extra window sections, and missile doors to make alternate versions. It's fully detailed bridge interior, 39 inches long when finished. There's a picture of it right there. Get it out of the light there. There you go. That's sitting right now on top of my display case. I'm going to put it in the middle shelf. So I'll have to do something with the two Moebius and the C-57D. I got that kind of figured out where I'm going to put those. But this classic 60s sci-fi series, Voice to the Bottom of the Sea. Like I said, I've seen a couple guys that built this already, and it's an awesome kit. It'll just fit my display case with a few inches on each side to spare. But I'm really looking forward to building this kit maybe next month. I'll get started on it. But I figured I'd share this with everybody. This is going to be my new project for the new year. The 1/128 scale Seaview from Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching. I'd like to thank my YouTube subscribers. And I'll talk with everybody later.